I had to come live for Kawana. The trillion-dollar government contracting space for women and minority, game changer, complete game changer. My cohort was from November to January of 2021, and within that time I realized that notary was a possibility within that space. It's millions and trillions of dollars over there for that. Prior to that, I was becoming a real estate agent, specifically, guys, honestly, for my daughter. She's 30 now, and she wanted a house. I said, I'll go. But in staying compliant as a real estate agent, I realized it's some money on that side, too. You know, it's money for the taking, but you got to do the work. Kawana says, follow the blueprint. She says, get an accountability partner. So I did that. Thank you, Sharita, for being an amazing accountability partner. I can tell the girls at the foundation, I have a foundation for girls, too. Get you some friends, but not any friends. So thank you, Kawana, for that connection. It has been amazing. Station, the most amazing assistant, Kawana. Good gracious. Thank you. Your entire team is amazing, Kawana. Thank you, ladies. Go get it if you're on the fence. Just trust Kawana. I am very selective. Business coaches, advisors, all of that. But I literally am so excited that I chose Kawana. In the midst of meeting Kawana, I was in the process of trying to figure out if I was going to take early retirement from corporate and serve for 25, 26 years. Now, I'm not an advocate if you're not ready to leave, so that's not what I'm saying. Prepare yourself. But I had prepared myself early on, real estate investor and some other things. And so I was ready to go, but I wanted a life after. Because traveling and resting, that's fine, but I wanted to continue to make money. And so with Kawana's course, cohorts, or coaching rather, it gave me, it opened my world up. It literally opened my world up. In the process of that, I bought a trailer at the end. I retired March 31st, 2020 from a Fortune 100 company in Atlanta. They raised me. I'm so grateful for the company. But I retired March 31st, 2021. And decided to go into the trucking industry because I also saw those installs, and I said, oh, great. We can go do whatever we want to do. And so I decided to just go for it and do it all. Wanted it all, got it all. So I bought a trailer. I have a trucking company now and landed my first contract because of Kawana. Thank you, Kawana. I'm so excited. Landed my first contract with Davis Transport Solutions. And he does the driving, and I do the administration behind the scenes. So if you know any truckers, Secret Miracles Unlimited is here, and it's secretmiracle.com. Of course, I'm going to do a shameless plug. You're going to see a lot out there, but we're starting with the real estate and the trucking division. But ladies, go get it. You can have whatever you want. Decided to do this because I was sitting here on my last day with tears rolling. Like, this is really happening. I'm retired. And on the back of it, I had something waiting on me. So trust Kawana, trust the blueprint. She totally knows what she's doing, guys. Go get it. It's so much money no matter what industry. It's so much money out there, so go do that. Best wishes to you. If you need me to give you the push, send me a message, Latoya Griffin. I don't mind helping. But go to Kawana because that's where I'm going to push you. That $1 trillion accelerator will change your life. Game changer. Thank you, Kawana.